Well, welcome back, you guys. If you already clicked on this video, you guys know what the surprise is about. I decided to do a second big chop. My first one was December 28th, 2015. Now, my second one happened on Sunday, which was the 6th of January, 2018. I decided I just wanted to start over, just because I just wanted to start over. Don't question me, all right? But anyway, I just wanted to start over, basically. One of the reasons I want to start over because certain parts of my head, it was kind of thin, and I was like noticing it, so I was like, go ahead and start over from scratch. The other one is because I want to experiment with my hair, and I just wanted to start over and like just basically renew what I lost, I guess. And then a part was I wasn't taking care of my hair like I used to anymore. But that's not the reason for the certain thin parts. It was just stress. And then I was just busy and whatever. But yeah, I'm starting over, and I hope you guys come on my hair journey with me. I will be doing some hair videos on my channel, but right now I'm just rocking this shortness right now. You know, your girl out here rocking the short styles. Okay, so I'm also going to include a clip of my big chop, so definitely stay tuned for that. But if you like this video, not even if you like this video, if you guys want to follow me on my journey, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, leave me a thumbs up emoji in the freaking comments, so I know that you actually watched this video, and it made me feel love, you know? Alright, thank you, you guys.